Press Ctrl N to open a new window. Press Ctrl O to open existing file. Press Ctrl C to copy selected items. Press Ctrl X to cut selected items. Press Ctrl V to fetch clipboard items. Press the Delete key to delete entire select item. Press Ctrl Z to undo the last actions. Press Ctrl Y to redo the last action. Press N key to go to the next slide. Press V key to back to the previous slideshow. Press Ctrl M to insert a new slide. Press Ctrl A to select all items at the same time. Press Escape key to end the slideshow. Press F5 to slideshow from beginning. Press Shift switch F5 to view the slideshow from the current slide. Press Alt with F4 to close the window.